Here we are, Monday, July 28th. I'm doing it. I told you I was going to do it. I trimmed all that bushes over there. And I got over here. The chainsaw fired up first pull this morning. No choke, no nothing. I just yanked it and it fired right up. It's got that new spark plug in it. Cost 11 bucks. So I headed out here and I cut some of this bush, some of the lower. My bush is mostly between like 6 and 12 or 15 feet, but some of it reaches as high as 20 some feet. Here's a bunch of it down here. I cut all that. Now, I just finished. I'm a little windy, a little sweaty. My glasses are fogged up. Got the other lot being cleared down there, more interlopers coming. But yeah, so I cut a bunch here. Got this new one coming up right, where is it? I can't see where my finger's pointing. Oh, there it is. That one, and then, so I cut down 3, 4, 5 over here. A couple pretty decent sized posts. That one's probably 12 or 14 foot long. Some of them I already dragged over into the yard. Got a couple little ones over here. I cut. I think I got one hanging in here. I got to drag it out. Or no, I already cut. I already pulled that one out. But yeah, I got to make room for this new one right here. I got one really big one. This is an original transplant. I transplanted that full size 4 inchers there, and I dug it up, turned it over, cut the top off, brought it back, set it in the pot for a couple years, and then I put it over here, and then it's been in the ground for about 3, 4 years, and it's dead. So time to cut it down. Looks like they're landscaping over here, going to be putting some sod in. I've been trimming my weeds back and pulling the cockleburs back through the fence. They sprout up so quick, it's hard to stay ahead of them. But yeah, trying to keep it a little bit clean around here. I cut a couple out of there. Yeah, there's one of them. But yeah, got a couple more to go. I'd have kept going, but it's so damn hot out here. And then I got all this stuff to clean up too. If you cut too much, you get so much in the way, it's kind of hard to get out of there. Here, that one's cut and laying down, and this one's still threaded through there. I cut a couple, 3 out of here. You could probably 4. Probably take a couple more of these little skinny ones, get rid of them. And bigger ones are got enough vegetation up there to carry it through the rainy season now. Oh, and let's not forget Giganteus. It's only a few days old, or less than a week, I guess. I gave him a bunch of water and some wood ash yesterday. Give him some minerals, try to help them out a little bit there. Still covered with ants, so they're doing good. Yeah, I got that little scraggler there to get rid of. All the littler ones are all getting dead. All the bottom branches, when those are all dead and the top's dead, it's time to get rid of it. It's just going to be a big ant magnet. Some of these, this one here's got to go. That one right there, that was blown over in Hurricane Ian 4 years ago, and or did I already cut that one? Did I cut that one? Yeah, that one's cut. It's just hanging there. That's the hanging one. And Tito's having a great day so far. He's very excited about all the happenings going on. I put a couple, I transplanted these. These are chocolate primatales, and there's one there. I've transplanted them in there yesterday. It looks really good. Almost dropped some bamboo on it though. Have to be careful with that. I got ants on me. I hit the wrong button. He got stuck in this tree. I don't know what he was trying to do. He tried cutting through there and he got stuck. He had to back up. Anyways, yeah, just here trimming the bush. the lower canopy, the lower bush. Getting her all trimmed up nice.